Let's take a quick example. What is this a picture of? Most people would probably say a chair, and of course they'd be right. Some people though might say it's a dining room chair. They'd also be right. Some people might also say it's a harvest-style dining room chair. They'd also be right. On the other end of the spectrum, some people might also say it's a piece of furniture. They'd also be right. Some people might say it's a home good. They'd also be right. And some people might say it's a thing. They'd also be right. What this object is exists at different levels of abstraction, and we need different levels for different purposes. For example, it wouldn't make much sense to ask, how many legs does a home good have? But it does make sense to ask, how many legs does a dining room chair have? Certain variables only make sense at certain levels of abstraction. Or, to take another example, imagine you want to buy a harvest-style dining room chair. Do you go to the harvest-style dining room chair store? Probably not. You probably don't even go to the chair store. You go to the furniture store. You know that that's the level of abstraction at which chairs are sold. They're sold as part of general furniture sales. And yet, you rarely go shopping for furniture. You don't go to the store thinking, I don't know if I want a chair or a table. You probably know what you want. This is an example of different levels of abstraction at work.